Jake, give me content. Ah!
Oh god, he's gone rabbit.
We gotta put him down.
Jake, you know what you should get on this? A tracer unit. I don't have money.
I want to shoot it.
There's only one mag. Don't shoot it too much, because I only got one mag.
No, I want to shoot it once. Oh, that made me coom.
So I have 29 rounds.
I got 100. I can feel that, you fucker.
Smoke one.
Hey, so question.
Easy, John.
So do you record everything and then just chop out what's not, like the pause point?
What do you mean?
So do you record like everything and then just chop out what's not good? Or
Yeah, edit it out.
Okay.
It's a bitch.
Yeah. That's why Jake does it all.
Hey, don't worry. Hey, my girlfriend's gonna do mine. So you sure? Yeah, I'll do it. What? Well, here you go. Hey, so
My fiance wants to edit my videos for me, but I'm like, I'll do it myself.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
Yo, welcome back, guys, to another video. Tell me the one and say it.
Wait, hold on. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you.
Subscribe
on the video so you can see more content like this.
No, like here.
Like this video.
If you don't like the video, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, no. Hold on. If you like the video, I will come to your house.
I know where you live. Put it in subtitles. Jake actually knows where I live.
Me with grenade.
Oh, I'm stabbing the rat.
It's all about we torture everybody in the retreat. Yeah, that's like congratulations.
You gotta hold it.
Microphone to you.
You have conviction. Oh, Jedi.
No! He's dead. This way. I'm just like...
Oh, hey, good news. Hey, good news now. You're drafted. No, you're a clone now. Yeah.
Oh yeah? I got you, sir.
Oh, hey, look at the clone.
Another clone.
You're a clone now. Yeah, so basically we run in, take all the shots, and then we run
Just
behind.
don't execute Order 66. I know about it.
Execute order 66.
Yeah, it's just a crank from what he cranked.
I just gotta do it.
Order 66.
Oh god, no! I want content with this, so
That's when the clones killed everybody. All the Jedi.
just throw a grenade at me.
That did happen also when Anakin killed
Yeah.
kids.
The greatest thing Anthony ever did.
Don't say order 66.
It was.
Hey, I'm doing a Cal Kestis thing right now, so...
Order 6.
Ah, hit! Oh, I'm on your team! Ah!
What the hell you got a lightsaber for?
I was gonna go kill you. Ah!
Hit.
Ah, hit. You little rat. Nuh-uh. Mike. I don't have a shield. You can shoot me. Come on. Stop looking at me. Damn it! You gotta throw a grenade at the Jedi, huh? I'm trying. Hi, Mike.
How's it going?
I don't know. You tell me.
It's going well.
You're lucky I don't have my grenade.
You're lucky I don't got my shotgun.
Either way, I have a lightsaber. Come on, let's do this. Who threw that? You're good. I'm not stupid, Mike.
Come on, take it then. Take it.
Rev, can I deflect the BBs back?
It's a weapon here, so it doesn't count.
Mike? Mike? You got lucky! That was a warning shot!
Well, warning shot wasn't from you.
Mike! Ah! Hit! You got it through the crack! Wait. Hey! Hey! Jeff, can I hide behind that curtain? Huh?
Everybody just chill. Go away then, bitch.
My joke to you? Yeah. What's that?
And there you go.
You should have played Thunderdome when we were playing 2 and 3 out.
Oh, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it.
Alright, let's do this.
We're stacking.
Hold on, I gotta get a picture of that. That is stinking awesome right there.
We got this covered. We got this covered, dude.
You got this.
Nope. That's it, motherfucker. Come on! Oh, you're good.
Yeah, there ain't nobody over here.
Get in here, get in here, get in here.
We're clear on the front. I don't see anybody. I'm standing here. I don't care about that.
You guys get in there. You're the clones. Door behind us.
Hey, bathroom.
Yeah, we're gonna do this.
Okay, I don't want any, I don't want it.
Worth it! I aggravated him. He was like, I'm not doing this, okay? Yeah, basically.